Rural health care services in Dixie County could be slashed, leaving patients with fewer options and longer wait times.
Residents say the decision by a major insurance company puts lives at risk. TV 20's Misty Webb tells us why they're fighting to keep care local.
Humana should be ashamed of themselves, literally ashamed of what they're putting these people through.
Patients and providers in Dixie County are pushing back after Humana announced cuts to a healthcare program. They say it will force residents to travel long distances for care and could strain emergency services.
It takes away from my crews, and each patient has a major problem for them, but if it's a more severe true emergency medical situation, then we may not have a truck available.
Paramedics say Andrews Healthcare Consulting offers something unique.
Some people are just not going to leave their home to get that service until they're near the end. And I just don't think you can put a value on that. And it's just a mistake. I feel like it's just really going to cause a lot of hurt in this area.
For patients like Donna Eubanks, the care has been life-changing.
I would hate to change because I really like Humana, but I would follow Logan, and so would all of the other people that I know. I had cancer last year, and he found it. And so I have an emotional attachment too, because he helped me through that. And he's just been a godsend.
Providers argue Humana's decision is driven by money and federal Medicaid cuts.
This is a prime example of them trying to consolidate all of their resources and to keep all of their patients going to their providers with CenterWell primary care instead of the providers that the patient wants to go to in the patient's choice. They're wanting to keep their thumb on the pulse of their business, and this all comes down to the almighty dollar.
Mental health providers say the cuts will hit vulnerable residents especially hard.
I've seen what happens when there's such a desert of medical care, and especially psychiatry. So those patients would be left out in the dust, as they have been.
In a statement, Humana told TV 20 while the agreement with Andrews is ending, the company will help members find new in-network providers. The termination is set to take effect January 1st. Misty Webb, TV 20 News.